Alright, y'all, this is my military truck. It's the M35. I was wanting everybody to try to build those cars in the 1930s like this, but with the four-wheel drive. This is the 6x6. There's my dog in the background. If you'll notice, if I flip it over, upside down, here's the differentials in it. There's the axles and stuff, and the differential steering servo.
Hi, we're here at the AMA Restoration Shop in Muncie, Indiana.
There's the switch.
AMA's National Headquarters Complex.
Tell me what y'all think about it. I was wanting to know if everybody's going to build an older car from the 30s or 40s, or the 1920s. This type, without all the wheels like that. That's regular, not like this one. I mean, it's cool. But yeah, if you do it, put it on YouTube or something. Let me know. Hey, how are you doing it? What you used to do it? Thank you. Bye.